The secret to crack CAT is taking a lot of mocks. We at Krakow give all the previous year's CAT, XAT and IFT papers in the actual exam format. Also, if you just Google Krakow free CAT mock, you can find 3 free CAT mocks in the latest exam pattern. You can take them and get detailed analysis.
Hi friends, I am Keshav Shastri from the Krakow family. Welcome to the Krakow series. Today we will be looking at all the colleges you have to apply, the deadlines for exams, when are the exams. I know this is not a very interesting video, but this is an important one. Often students give a lot of precedence to preparation rather than these tedious process, but once you miss it, there is no going back. So it's important you keep these in mind. So to begin with, in our country, for getting into an IIM, there are a host of entrances, there are a lot of exams, and usually it is very confusing what to apply, what not to apply. Usually students tend to apply on an average 4 to 5 every year, and you should also execute your due diligence, which suits you, what college you want to go, what exam pattern is more favorable to you. Based on that, you will have to apply to these exams. We will just briefly touch upon all the different exams. We all know CAT. CAT is for the creme de la creme colleges of the country, the top-notch IIMs. And they have extended the date. Today was the last date, 18 September. They have extended the date. You know, XLRI for XAT, IIFT. These are again top-notch colleges. They are at par with IIMs. There is essentially not a yardstick to differentiate them. And Symbiosis is a host of universities. SNAP exam is for like exams like SCHMRD or you have SIBM Pune. These you can say they come in the top 20 colleges of the country. NMAT is Narsimoji Institute, NMIMS College. NMAT is one of the exam where you can give up to 3 attempts, guys. That is the last date for filling this is 3rd October. Starting from 3rd October till 14th December, you can attempt this exam up to 3 times. So that you can maximize your score and increase your chances of getting into the exam. So you can give 3 attempts in this exam. Keep a note of all these deadlines. These top 3 are essentially very important. Make sure you apply on time. And then we have CMAT. CMAT is again for a host of colleges. To give you an understanding, CAT accepts all the top IIMs. If you take all the top IIMs, SPJIMR, MDI, FMS, all these top IITs and all in one basket as elite colleges or tier 1 colleges. Then CMAT is essentially for tier 2 colleges, say your JIM Goa or KJ Somaya or BIMTech. All these colleges accept the CMAT scores. These colleges essentially accept CAT score as well, but if you want a fallback option, say in case your CAT goes bad, then you will also have an option of CMAT. So CMAT accepts a variety of colleges. Then MAT is a similar exam too. MAT is actually accepts 600 colleges. 600 institutions are registered with MAT, and they have 4. You can take MAT exam up to 4 times in a year. The computer based exam is on 14th September. The last day to apply is 10th September. You can take it 4 times. There will be another exam in December too. And coming to TISS. TISS is Tata Institute of Social Sciences. This is a very old institute. It was started somewhere in 1936, I can say. They have multiple campuses. The main campus is in Mumbai. And it is one of the famous colleges. I can say it comes somewhere between the elite colleges and all the tier 2 colleges that CMAT accepts. So its deadline is 10th December. And then you have PGDBA. PGDBA nowadays is gaining a lot of traction, guys. That is because PGDBA is a culmination of 3 institutes. One is IIT Kharagpur. You have IIT Kharagpur, ISI Kolkata, Indian Statistical Institute Kolkata, and then you have IIM Kolkata. All these 3 institutes have combined. They started this course in 2015. This course is essentially on postgraduate diploma on business analytics. For people who have an inclination towards mathematics or business analytics, this is like a favorite course. You will spend 1 semester in each of these institutes and the final semester in an industry. So you can check this out. Nowadays, because their average salary is also going up, average package that the students get, it is gaining a lot of traction. IRMA is Institute for Rural Management. This is the best institute in the country for rural management. If you are interested in rural development or developing rural cooperatives, if you are interested in that area, then it's the best institute. It's a residential program where you will also have field work and classroom training as well. So you can check this out as well. And then MICAT and IBSAT. MICAT and IBSAT are for specific colleges. That is MICAT, there is a college called as Mudra Institute of Communications in Ahmedabad. For MICA, they accept CAT, they accept ZAT. They also have their own exam called as MICAT. And IBSAT is for ICFAI chain of business schools. ICFAI chain of business schools. So they have their own exam called as IBSAT. And there is another exam similar to MAT or CMAT, that is ATMA. You need not take all these colleges. You can essentially take the colleges that interest you. So how can you identify which college you want to apply? If you want to target a specific college, say you want to get into IIMs, then you have your CAT for it. But sometimes say CAT might go haywire, but you want to get into an MBA this year itself. So you can narrow down what colleges you want to apply. There are a lot of colleges, very good colleges in the country, top 10, top 20. Which are your priorities? The colleges in the state, or are they the colleges in your city? And what are the exams that these colleges take? And then one more important factor you can look at is, what is your strong suit? Usually you are either good in verbal, or you are good in decision making questions, or you are good in Quant. All these exams have their own different exam pattern. So based on that, you can narrow down which exam suits you the best, and then you can maximize your chances of getting into an MBA. So there are a lot of exams. Don't do the practice that you'll only prepare for CAT and essentially you have prepared for all the exams. That doesn't work. All of them have their own exam pattern. So if you want to target a college, pick the right exams and prepare for them essentially. And coming to the last part, in the last video we had already seen the various colleges you have to apply before CAT. This is essentially for CAT, main colleges to target through CAT. Two of the colleges have released their notification, SPJIMR and MDI. Their deadlines are 22nd November. 24th November is the CAT exam. Like every year, even FMS is going to be before CAT exam, and it will be even before these two. Have a look out of them, and if as soon as the notification comes out, we will be updating you guys about it. So stay updated, and if you have any doubts, anything at all, you can put it in the comment section. We will check it and we will help you in the best possible way. So that's about it for today's video. Keep working hard, guys. We will see you soon. Thank you.